Hiya, this is Adam. In this video I'm going to show you what the difference is between having a website for your business and the benefits that that gives you compared to a sales funnel and the benefits that that gives you. So if you want to know how you can use these to benefit your business and increase your revenue, then please stay tuned and watch the whole video. Okay, my name's Adam from Adam Mac Web Design and Get My Business Exposure. If you'd like to receive more information from me, hit the subscribe button below this video and also hit the little bell icon and you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Okay, so what we're going to be discussing in this video is the difference between a website and a sales funnel. Now there are some very key differences. You may have seen via Facebook, LinkedIn, various places like that, where there's a particular video out at the moment where they're saying your website is dead, it's rubbish, you need to move away from it. So we're going to cover that in this. Okay, so many businesses, and I would hope most businesses now have a business website up for their services, their business, what they run and what they do. Now the main difference between a sales funnel and a website is your website is basically a brochure for your business. Okay, so what happens with a website? So if you imagine it's your website, so if you imagine your website, generally majority are broken down like this. You'll have a logo, you'll have all your menu items across the top, you'll have a big header image, or you'll have a slider that's rotating through all the time. It will then go into some welcome text, hello, this is our business. You then may be either showing people all the different services that you have, maybe all the different products you have. Go down, you'll have some about us information. You get down to your footer and you've got more products listed, you've got more services listed, everything like that. Maybe the phone number for your business. Down the bottom with an email. And generally this is what I'd say about 8% of business websites look like. Okay, the only problem you've got with these is they're good for what they do. A standard website is a brochure for your business. It's same as, so we go into, I'm looking to maybe go on holiday next year. My wife wants to go to Mexico. So we go down to the local travel agency. She comes out with a big stack of brochures, brings them home and says, right, let's start looking for all these and see what's there. So you pick up a brochure and it's got every country imaginable in there. You're flicking through, you're looking and you go, oh look, there's this one here and there's this one here and it's got this features and it's got that features. Then you've finished with that one, you put that one down, you then move on to the next brochure that you're looking through and you go through the same process. Now at the end of it, your head's that battered, you don't know where you were starting from or what you were looking for originally because you've seen that much information. But that brochure is essential as a reference point for you to come back to for that business. And brochures like travel agencies and places like that put all the information straight in front of you, telling you all the different products, all the different services, and it can bamboozle your brain. The other problem you'll have is a lot of websites have very little contact information. Generally, the last point on a menu will be contact us, which will then take you through to a different page which may have an online contact form. Okay, and this, like I said, this is 80% of businesses are working like this. Now what happens, the problem is, especially you advertise your business, say you advertise on Google, somebody clicks through onto from your Google advert onto your website. And what happens is, majority of times, people haven't optimized this for the searcher. So they land on the website, scroll all the way down, oh, I'm not really sure what I'm looking for, it could be here, it might not be here, oh, there's a little tiny product about what I'm looking for, and they think, right, that's not what I'm after, so they click back and they go back to Google. The negative effects of that: one, Google remembers everything that happens via its search engine, so it will penalise your website if the person has landed on it, can't find what they're looking for, and leave. They'll then charge you more for having visitors to your website because you're not clear on what you're doing. Also, you're spending your ad spend on Google, Facebook, YouTube, however the methods are that you're getting your clients in, you're spending money. These clients are looking for specific answers to specific problems. One of my clients is a roofer. So if I sent an advert for chimney repair, which is one of the services that he offers, on his initial website, they will land, they will have to scroll all the way through roofing, cladding services, so finally they get to chimney services, and there's removal, there's repair, there's maintenance, there's installation for chimneys. So there's all these different choices. But this person who initially searched for lands on here, gets confused, and has already left. So that's your website. And like I said, 80% of websites are in that format. Now there's nothing wrong with having that because they do get found organically, they do provide the information, everything is there that people are looking for, they just have to search for it. With a sales funnel, how this works is because you answer those specific questions that that person is asking and you put those specific products directly in front of your clients. So with this, again, it's a website. They'd click through on an advert and land on a page which will either have text, a video, so they will land here and you can offer them a video, a PDF, or some sort of solution to their problem. And in exchange for that, what you do is you capture their email address and their name. You don't have to always do that, but for a majority of businesses, what this allows you to then do is follow up with your clients. Okay, so they land first of all onto your capture page where you're giving them a basic solution to the problem that they're after. From there, they click through and they can come through to a contact form or phone where they can tell you exactly what their problem is, give you their contact details, or call you straight away. Okay. Now the beauty of using a sales funnel is once you've captured the information from that person, you've captured that information, you can continue to keep up to date and in contact with that person, either via email, either on the phone because they've given you the details. You can offer them other products, other services. Once you have somebody within your sales funnel, if you treat them right, keep in touch with them, look after them, you'll create a lifelong client. So what we do is we continue to market to them and put them within what's called a value ladder. There is another video I've done on value ladders which I'll put the link beneath this video so you can go and watch that one as well. But it's how you convert this person all the way through a process till you get to the stage that you want to, by providing them value, content, services that benefit them for what they're after. The good thing with sales funnels is, say here, you can create one specifically for removal. It's only 5 pages, 4 or 5 pages long. You can have one for chimney repair, maintenance. You can have one for your roof repair, maintenance, cleaning. Because what will happen is, when you're paying for your advertising, if you're not answering the question that your client is asking, they're going to go elsewhere. Now, there is no more charge from Google or any of the others, regardless of the keywords that you're looking for, how many you're looking for. You may have more competitive keywords, but by that I mean if you type in roofing repair, you'll pay the same whether you send them to this page or to this page. In fact, what actually happens is, if you are very specific to answering their questions, people come through, they submit their email details, come through to the next stage, your price will actually drop for what you're getting paid, because you are answering the questions that these people are looking for. Okay, so that's the difference between sales funnels and a standard website. Now, for me, I think it is essential to have both. Okay, you need this so that you can answer the questions, and it's the most effective way to advertise to your clients. You need this because people will always be searching online for your business. They may be searching more, they may have spoken with you or come through this process, and they want some more information, so they may want to check out your about page. Make sure you've got a full website out there, that you are a professional company. So for me, having a website is essential. Using sales funnels correctly and effectively is also essential. Okay. However, depending on what you do, your business type, you may be able to get rid of this completely and just concentrate on this. Or very rarely, I can't think of any instances where you could just have a website where people would just find it. Maybe a blog that is specifically designed to capture information, but generally they will convert then into the sales funnel process. So if you want to know more about how sales funnels work, value ladders, things like that, have a look below the video. There's loads more training videos on there for you to check out. Also, I'll put a link below for a book called DotCom Secrets by Russell Brunson, which goes into the sales funnel process in a lot more depth and a lot more detail, far, far better than I can describe it. However, if you have any key questions, please leave them in the comments below this video and I will get back to you with the answers. Okay, thank you very much.